In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to refresh your web design skills, this guide will help you create a dynamic and engaging site for your audience. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which organizes all your Wix sites in one convenient spot. From here, select the website you want to edit, click on the Edit Site button, which will open up the Wix editor where the magic happens. Now that you're in the Wix editor, let's start enhancing your site. Over on the left-hand panel, locate and click on the plus add button. This is where you'll be able to add a multitude of elements to enrich your site. For now, let's focus on adding a strip. Scroll through the options, click on strip, and this feature will be added to your page. Strips are versatile design blocks that you can use to organize content elegantly. Let's explore how to make this even more interactive. Within your strip, you can place text or other elements, but for a more engaging user experience, you want to ensure the strip is initially collapsed. Users can reveal its content by interacting with it, making your web page cleaner and more organized. It's time to make that happen. To facilitate this interaction, you need a button. Click on the button option from the menu and choose a style that fits your site's aesthetic. Place this button on or near your strip. This button will act as your read more trigger, encouraging your visitors to engage with your content. Once the button is in place, it needs to be linked to your strip. By doing this, when visitors click your button, the strip expands to reveal more content. After linking, spend a moment customizing the button. The Wix editor gives you tools to adjust its color, font, hover effect, and make sure it stands out and is immediately clear to your users, as you want them to feel encouraged to explore further. Before going live, it's crucial to see things from your visitor's perspective. Click on Preview to test the Read More feature you just set up. Verify it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile views, ensuring an optimal user experience across devices. Once satisfied with everything, return to the main editing menu and click Publish. This will take all the changes you've made live on your site, ready for the world to see. And there you have it. You're now equipped to enhance your Wix site using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.